Today we're going to be writing an equation for a function after vertical and horizontal translation. So I need you to pay attention to the problem. It says the graph of f is translated a whole number of units horizontally and vertically to get the graph of g. So they tell you your equation right here, f, and then you're supposed to create g. Now, if you have not yet, please watch the translating video because I'm going to tie into that heavily. But I know that f of x equals x squared, and g of x, that means is going to equal parentheses x plus or minus something plus or minus something. So here's my h and my k. So all I have to do is figure out my vertex and plug it in. So let's look at this problem. Here we're going over to -3 and up to 4. So this vertex is -3, 4. So since my vertex is -3, 4, I change the sign of h and I keep the sign of k. So this right here is g. You plug your vertex right into whatever f of x was given. So you're going to type that in down here, parentheses x plus 3 squared minus 4 plus 4. Sorry about that copy mistake. Now if you think about the vertex here, you change the sign here and keep the sign here. So your vertex is -3, 4. It does match the graph. It is U-shaped. It is opening up. Life is good. Let's look at another one. So again, they give us the equation. They tell us that f of x is the square root of x. So f of x is the square root of x. That means g of x is going to be the square root of x with the vertex in it. So we're going to have x. We have some number here plus or minus some number here. So let's figure out our vertex here for g. Here we're at 3, -4. So remember that when you plug this vertex or anchor point of 3, -4 in, we're going to change the sign of h to be -3, and we're going to keep the sign of k to be -4. So that's what you type down here for g. And do a visual check. Make sure it's true. And it is. So let's do one more. Again, they give us the equation. Notice they already give us the a. The a is -x. They will give that to you. So f of x equals negative absolute value of x. So k of x is what we're looking for. We're going to say negative absolute value of x plus or minus something, plus or minus something. Now let's look at our vertex. This vertex here is 4, and the y value is 2. So if our vertex is 4, 2, we're going to change the sign of h and keep the sign of k. So k of x equals negative absolute value of x minus 4 plus 2. I hope that you understand. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll talk about them. Have a great day.